Alright, everybody, we're gonna start off another video. Let's go in the room, okay? Alright, alright. We're gonna start off again, and we're gonna show us running when we hear that sound again.
Okay, we're gonna go in this room. If it happens when we go
Wait,
in
I'm
this
standing
room.
out here. I'm not going in there, bro. We're gonna stand here, bro. I'm sure I bring my phone so I can put the ghost detector on mine.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Dude.
Alright, guys. We're gonna edit this part where until like it's flushing. Okay, look, we're going back in the edit all this. Edit it.
We didn't hear it flushing yet, but we're about to go
Don't
back.
go in there right now, bro. I haven't got my code.
Dude, you don't have your phone yet?
No, I don't have it right now.
Dude, go to the house and get it. We can edit all this out while we're running down there to the house, and we can like put it on the video while we're there.
Hold it.
You wanna hold it while we're going to the house?
No, I'm talking about let me hold it for the video.
Oh my god!
Okay, guys. Unedit this. Let's hear that. Let's hear that. Let's hear it.
Dude, I don't know if y'all hear that.